Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of question number 11 exercise 8.1. In this question we have to state true and false for these few answers. Is the statements are true or false. So what is the first statement? Value of sin A can never exceed 1. Yes, this is true. Value of sin A can never exceed 1. Why? Because sin A, the value of sin A is equals to sine side opposite to angle in is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and in any right angle triangle hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular, as we have seen. So sin A can never exceed than 1. If sin A will become greater, then the perpendicular will become greater than the hypotenuse and it will be false. So according to the condition, value of sin A can never exceed 1. And the second part, value of tan is always less than 1. That is false. Why? Because perpendicular may be greater than its base in any right angle triangle. What is the formula for tan A? Tan A equals to perpendicular upon base. So secant A is 5 upon 2. Here it can be true. Why? Because for secant A, the value of secant A is hypotenuse upon, that is the reciprocal of cos A, h upon b, and h can be greater and b can be lesser because hypotenuse is the greatest side. Cos A is the abbreviation of cosecant A. No, cos A is the abbreviation of cosine A. Cos A comes from cosine A, and cosecant A is the reciprocal of sin A. So it cannot be the abbreviation of cosecant A. Cot A is the product of cot and A. That is also false. This is false. That is also false. Because cot is not a product of cot A. That is cotangent of angle A. That is an operator. It applied on the angle A. So operator and angle will not be multiplied with each other. That is the cotangent of angle A. It is not a product of cot A. Even in the sin A, tan A, sin A means sin is the other thing, A is the angle. Angle operator comes on the angle A. So it is not the product of sin and A. Tan A is not a product of tan and A. So come on the next last question. Sin A is given as 4 by 3. That is a false condition. Why? Because sin A is, according to sin A, the value of sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular can never be greater than the hypotenuse. So it is false. So these are the answers for the questions, and here these are the answers, true false answers for the question number 11. And here the exercise is ended. Now we will come with the next exercise, trigonometry table for some particular angles. So in my next video we will discuss that, and we will do the question of 8.2. Thank you very much.